G'day folks, and welcome back to Mania 3D in the Diecast workshop. We're just going to fit a couple more different wheel sets that we have. Just going to do a quick few little more swaps and just upgrade a couple of cars. These wheels are on our website as well. Just get the feel of these things going so you can see them on cars and how easy they are to fit. So, Goodyear reel, 5-spoke. Okay, so yeah, and we've got a way other ones too. We'll just do these other few ones first. So yeah, I thought I had a third set here, and there's the Federals. I've got those on those there. You can see them alright, I hope. Right, okay, let's gonna put these Yokohama ADVANs. This card I got the other day there. So we'll do a swap around on these and flick that around there. Card's all busted anyway, so let's get into it. I'll open it up. I've showed you before in my other videos how I open them. Even though the card's buggered, I still keep it because you can use it for other things. Right, there we go. She's out. She's out. The card over there. There it is. Stock as a rock from the factory. Not a bad little unit. Look right with a bit of detail and all that there. But what we're going to do is we're just going to do a quick wheel swap. And we're going to put these ones on it. Obviously suit the sponsorship on the car. Okay, so we'll get my little cutters out. Down we go again. And what I do is I always go down to the furthest part that I can get it into. Actually line my eyes up so I can see what I'm doing. Makes it a little bit easier. And there we go. I just put the cutters in and block the ends off. Oh, now pop that off. Pop that off. And I'll do the same on this other side here. Pull the wheels down so I know I've got the full maximum length of the axle. And put her in. And again, and just crack it off. Righto, here we go. Righto, same as the other ones there, the process before. I'm not drilling the base, I'm not separating or anything else. I'm just going to run the drill through it quickly for the size of the axles. Like I was mentioning before there on the other ones there. And it's all on the one video too, no editing. This is just straight off from the camera, no editing at all. Only take us a couple more minutes there and we have them all finished. I'll just go from the other side there just so I can get any other bears out of the road. Just to make life a little bit quicker and easier. And there we go, we just got that there ready for the wheels to go on. So we'll get that there. To get the axles out of the packets and the wheels. Will only be a couple of minutes and we'll have this done. There's the axles. You see the wheels there and all that sort of stuff. I was showing you them before. You put the axle, I do it like this on the cordless drill just for a bit more, just for a bit quicker and that sort of thing. And just make sure that you have it in straight first. Here's a little wheel. Straight on with this. Straight in and away we go. Beautiful. Beautiful. One down, do another one. Do another one, we've got to go on there, gets the speed up a bit more, gets things done a bit quicker. just make sure when you do put it in the drill that it does go in the centre of the truck, because the axles are so small, you could end up going like, I don't know if you can see that. Yeah, so just be careful when you're doing it, because you can also bend the axle as well, and you don't want to be doing that. I'll tell you what, all of this stuff's come a long way in the last couple of years. I tell you what, the 164 and all that, there's all these internet channels. Righto. That's it. Done deal. Right. Now we'll get it up onto here. Let's have a look. Do we need to trim it when it goes there? Possibly not. With a good luck, bit of good luck. Just get it to go through. Right hand side's the side I always put it through on. I go this way here so you can actually see, instead of me covering everything up. There we go. It's looking more like a proper race car with the right wheels on it now. The right sponsorship. So we've got that on there. Just get the other little mate and put him on in position. And I'll get him into position there. And just firmly press him on. Just a touch more. And there we go. All right. It's all good. Beautiful. No problems at all. Rolls wonderful. Righto. We'll just get the other one in there quickly there. Just doing this little quick video on the right hand side. Is what I always do mine religiously. So that way, like I was saying, when I go to pull it apart or do something, or whatever, there's a fair bit of junk in this hole. I'll just run my drill through it again. No one's doing that. But, fair bit of junk in there for some reason. Anyway, we have the technology. We will fix him. Just run that through there. Let's give that a bell. Just a bit better. Yep. In we go. Alright, lovely. It's looking pretty trick. Get him onto there. Get him set up. Ooh, missed it. And missed it. There we go. Push him on. Nice and firm. Easy. Tight this axle. He's tight, right? Alright, there we go. There's no swearing or cursing. I just had to get it down on the ground there. I spin like a trooper now. Just give him a bit of a whirl up and down. What I'll do is, there we go. Look at it. All done. Yep. Just the front was a little bit stiff. So what I will do is, remember I was saying to you before there, why I do that there is because then I can go like this and just pull the wheel off onto the bench so I don't lose it. She's on there tight. Alright. Tight. I'm just about finished here, and I'll get that done and we'll go on to the next wheel set. There we go. That's it, all done, finished. Alright, have a look at that, see what you reckon. Looks pretty good. All finished off, all done nicely. Makes a way of difference. Those wheels are on our website there now, so yep. I'll get my finger off the other side and all spinning. So all good job. Alright, thanks very much for watching, and stay tuned, we'll get a couple more quick ones out just so we can start to catch up and get a few things going again. Alright, thank you.